Okay, so for you guys that are having an issue getting your Halo Infinite game running in a hypervisor, I just wanted to go ahead and address what the primary cause of this issue is. So, if I try to go over and start Halo Infinite now, go ahead and click it, and you'll see that it's about as far as it goes. Sometimes it would get to launching, but it would shortly close after. But as you can see, ain't nothing happened. And now let me go ahead and show y'all what the primary cause of this is. So we're going to go ahead and head over to the Libvirt XML configuration file. And I'm going to scroll down my configuration file here. And you're going to see the vendor ID state equals online, and then whatever value you set. So what happens is Windows sees this line and it sees a change value, and it's unable to differentiate some of the factors of it running in a hypervisor. So as soon as you delete this line, it's seeing the default value, which is like Microsoft Hypervisor or something or other. So as soon as you delete that value, it sees that, and it's able to make those changes accordingly to the guest that affect Halo Infinite and other applications. Now be aware when you do this, it is possible that you could retrigger that error code 43 depending on your NVIDIA drivers and the version of your Qemu. I'm not exactly sure which one it changes, either Qemu, the NVIDIA drivers, or the Libvirt, but recently they've made some changes with some of the newer versions that have made it so those MSRs are able to take now, and it's because I believe NVIDIA is pulling back on enforcing their Quadro line of cards only for the hypervisor to have full hypervisor functionality. So I haven't looked directly into the issue, but the error code 43 situation where people had to change their vendor ID state in order to get a regular GeForce card to work correct in their hypervisor, I believe that's done and gone now. But there may be some changes later on in the future, you know. But as of now, you're okay. And so now that I went ahead and I've taken that line out, I'm going to go ahead and restart the guest. It's posted, but it had to boot up. There we go. The OBS NDI plugin or whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and go for another Halo Infinite launch here. And as you can see, we're good to go. So yeah, just removing that vendor state ID line from your libvirt XML file or your Qemu equivalent will take care of the situation for you. It's just messing with how Windows properly identifies it as a hypervisor, and some applications get a little screwy with it. So anyway, if you liked the video and it helped you out, like and subscribe. Out.